So now we're quickly gonna go over some conversions. So I'm just gonna go over these three as I've gone over a few online. So what we're going to be doing right now is we're going to be converting 3.5 gallons to ounces. Okay, so what we're going to do first is figure out, okay, so there is, for every 1 gallon, how many ounces is there? And if we look at our conversion chart, for every 1 gallon, there is 128 ounces, right? But we need to figure out, so equals to, what 3.5 gallons is in ounces, right? And we don't know this one yet, which is why we put it in an X. So we have, for 1 gallon, it's 128 ounces. So 3.5 gallons, we don't know. What we're going to do here is we are going to do what is called cross multiplying. So I am going to go this way and this way. So I'm going to multiply X times 1. So what I will get over here is I will get 1x equals 3.5 times 128. And then what I get is x equals 448 ounces. Okay, so let's go take a look at the next one. So if we have 26 feet to yards, if we look at our conversion chart, right, we're always going to put yards on the bottom because that's what we need. So if we look at our conversion chart, we see that 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. And then we're going to go, but we have 26 feet. And we have no idea how many yards. Right, so we make them equal each other. And then what we do is we cross multiply. So we multiply those two, and we multiply those two, and we get, so we'll go x times 3, which is going to give me 3x is equal to 1 times 26, which is going to give me 3x is equal to 26. So now I have to get x alone, right? So since it's being multiplied here, what I'm going to do is divide it by 3. And then I'm going to divide this side by 3 because whatever we do to the one side, we also have to do to the other. So I'm going to do 26 divided by 3. So then I get x is going to equal 8.7 yards. Okay, so then we'll go down to the next one and we have 32 kilometers to miles. So we're going from kilometers, right? So let's go take a look at our conversion chart. And on our conversion chart, it says that for every 1.61 kilometers is 1 mile, right? And remember, what we're going to is always going on the bottom. And then we're going to equal, so it's 32 kilometers on this side over, we don't know how many miles. So I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to cross multiply. So I'm going to do x times 1.61, which is going to give me 1.61x is equal to 32 miles. And then I need to get my x alone. So what I'm going to do is I am going to divide by 1.61 because right now it's being multiplied, so I have to do the opposite. And then I'm going to divide this side by 1.61. And then I'm going to get x is equal to, because this is going to cross it out, so my x is going to be equal to 19.9 miles. Okay? So remember, whatever you are going to, right? So whatever we're going to is going to be going on the bottom. And then when you do your conversions, you put where it's from. So we're going from kilometers to miles. right? Then we have to do our conversion on this side, and then what we're looking for on this side.